according to the Lord. Luke 11:27 to 28, habang ang Panginoon ay naglalakad at siya ay nagtuturo at napakaraming tao na naghuhumiyaw, tumatawag ng kanyang atensyon, sumusunod sa kanya. Verse 27, as Jesus was saying these things, a woman in the crowd called out, "Blessed is the mother who gave you birth and nursed you." He replied, "Blessed rather are those who hear the word of God and obey it." Bukod namang pinagpala ang babaeng nagluwal sa iyo at ang babaeng nagpasuso sa iyo at nagbigay ng kanyang gatas at nagpalaki sa iyo at nag-alaga. Sabi noong babaeng sumayaw, yun daw ang blessed. Of course, she was referring to the mother of Jesus, Mary. And Jesus said, ang talagang pinagpala ay yung nakakarinig, yung nakikinig ng salita ng Diyos at sumusunod dito.